Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, 8 sign. So this is the January mid-month reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on Gemini. Lot of cards. Under the deck, Three of Pentacles. Maybe right now you are concentrating on your career. You are investing energy on yourself, Gemini. You are investing your money on different businesses. Yeah, you are taking care of your career and finances right now. Maybe someone is coming back if you are in separation to work on this relationship. They want collaboration with you. They want partnership with you. Yeah, you both could be colleagues also. So let's see your reading in past. Wheel of Fortune, the Moon and the Magician. I think your person may be hiding something from you. You came to know about that. The Pisces, some secrets hidden. Maybe it could be you also hidden from that, but I am thinking it's your person. But things are turning out in your favor. Yeah, the Magician and the Wheel of Fortune. You started manifesting everything in your life. I think there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. But things are turning out in your favor. And right now what is going? Five of Swords, Eight of Cups and Five of Wands. You are fed up with that energy. You are fed up with your person. Because they're playing lot of games. They may be sneaky. They may be... For some it could be third party involved because Seven of Swords is here, Five of Swords, Five of Wands. Lot of drama. That's why you walked away. Yeah, Eight of Cups. And Seven of Cups, near future, Three of Cups and Two of Wands. Yeah, maybe most of you, it could be third party situation. And Two of Wands, you're thinking something about a lot. Two of Wands energy, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. But I think you are achieving some success in another area of your life like career and finances because Three of Pentacles is here and Three of Cups celebration and Two of Wands. But your person really sneaky because Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy. Yeah, they may be cheated on you, lied to you, played games with you. But you walked away. But under the deck, Three of Pentacles. But if someone is coming back, definitely it could be your past person. Maybe they want partnership with you. But you are thinking about something a lot. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But you are in Magician energy. Definitely you are manifesting something big in your life. Maybe some positive changes. Yeah, Four of Swords under the deck. Definitely there is no contact between both of you. Separation, Gemini. Yeah, you are thinking about them a lot. Even though you decided to move on. For some, you already moved on. But you are thinking them a lot. Yeah, separation, Five of Cups, Four of Cups, King of Wands and Eight of Cups. Maybe for some you person also walked away. Maybe you both decided to walk away from each other for some. Yeah, Five of Cups with Four of Cups and King of Wands. They are also feeling sad for the separation and they are feeling very, very sad for the missed opportunity with you because Four of Cups with Five of Cups. King of Wands, your person could be fire sign. They also stand by their power. But there is passion. Your person is attracted to you and they are very passionate about you. Yeah, but they're feeling right now, their feelings about you is they're thinking and feeling very, very sad about the separation and missing you so much. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Gemini. Yeah, Five of Pentacles, cold shouldering, Princess of Cups. Yeah, Justice. The person involved in this connection could be Libra. Under the deck, Tower. Definitely right now they are going through some Tower moment. It is obviously for the separation because they are suffering in silence. Five of Pentacles and Princess of Cups because they have strong emotions for you. Maybe they are now realizing your worth after the separation. And Justice. Yeah, they want second chance with you. They're coming back second chance. I think you cut them off because there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person played games with you. That's why you cut them off. But they're coming back for second chance because they are missing you so much. They're realizing your worth because Princess of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. Now they got clarity. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Libra, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Ace of Cups under the deck. Definitely they really love you. And Eight of Wands with Death. Definitely your person may be undergoing some transformation. That's why now they're realizing your worth. Your person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. Eight of Wands. Lot of communication. Definitely they want to communicate with you. And there is communication coming in. Maybe some positive transformation is going in your person's life. You are also feeling sad for the separation. And Ace of Swords. Yeah, communication and Six of Wands under the deck. Maybe you are getting recognition for your work. I think if you let them in, definitely there is success for this connection. And this connection is going to be next level because you both are feeling sad for the separation. Five of Cups and Ace of Swords, some communication. I think communication is the key here. Truth coming out and Eight of Wands, lots of communication. You both feeling sad for the separation, what I'm getting here. Especially your person suffering in silence. They are missing you so much. Yeah. Because Five of Cups with fear of, they are sad for the missed opportunity with you. Yeah, they want second chance. If you let them in, definitely this relationship is going to be next level. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Gemini. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, they're coming back to work on this this relationship. They want partnership. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. For some, you are now concentrating on your career. You are very determined towards your goals. Yeah, you are also feeling sad for the separation. You are also heartbroken. And King of Wands. But you overcome this pain. Now you stand by your power. Still, you have pain. Some corner of your heart. Definitely you are feeling sad because Five of Cups 2 times. You both are missing each other. You both are sad for the separation. But they're coming back to work on this relationship. If you let them in, definitely they really want to work on this relationship. From Truth coming out, Ace of Swords. They want brand new beginnings with you, Gemini. So let's see your person overall energy. Ten of Wands, Six of Wands, Four of Swords, Princess of Swords. Maybe they're spying on you on social media. Yeah, they undergoing some healing process. Definitely they're thinking about you a lot. They're missing you so much. And Six of Wands, yeah, they want to win you back again in their life. They want success in this connection. Right now your person feeling overburdened, and maybe due to family responsibilities, due to this relationship, definitely they're feeling overburdened. But they're missing you so much. I am seeing the pain because they're suffering in silence. Okay, even though they're smiling outside, they're really missing you so much. They have emotions for you. They want second chance. Yeah, there is lots of communication is coming in your way, Gemini. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. A new start is coming. Yeah, I already told you, if you let them in, there is a new start is coming in your relationship. Definitely they love you so much. If you let them in, there is a new start for you both. And in your career also, definitely there is some promotion or some upgrade is coming in your way, a new start. It is very this start is giving so much boost for you. Definitely a new start is coming. If you let them in, they will take this relationship to next level. I think this connection has potential, Gemini. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.